Hello dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video we will see pre-final examination paper general science, physical science paper first, class 10th mathematics. Okay, so I will share you this question paper and this is very important question paper. Watch full video and don't forget to subscribe our channel and share this video with your all dear friends, and these questions will become in your tomorrow exam. And you want to download this question paper answer key, just search on Google and type arfindia.com 10th ps answer 10th ps paper answer key. Okay, where all the question and answer key also provided. Okay, so before we start video, your Hindi and English exam will be uh, gone better. Okay, so first I started this video section first. This is your 6 marks question. Okay, each question carries half marks, and answer all the questions. What is the shape of graph of ohmic conductor? Okay, SI unit of heat is what is the, and the next is the color of phenolphthalein indicator in basic solution is what is, and refractive index n is equal to C upon V. Okay, so both here options also available. Which electronic cell is at a higher energy level, K or L? Lithium and potassium constitute a Dobriners trade. Match the suitable answers of section B with a section A. Okay, there is N2 and BF3. So match their pair. One is, remember, I think. So the impurity present in the floor in the over is called as. What is the maximum focal length of the human eye lens? The midpoint of a thin lens is called. Okay, here options also available. And the next question is question number 11 and 12. Okay, this is a blur questions. I will provide you in the next video. So wait for next video where I will provide you and answer all the questions section second. Each questions carries 1 marks. Okay, these questions are 8 marks. Which rule is violated in the electronic configuration 1s0, 2s0, 2p4? Sun appears red in color during sunrise and sunset. Give one reason. Mention any one of methods of prevention of corrosion. Write the formula of specific heat. What is refraction? What are factors which affect the resistance of a material? What is shape of BF3? Define the modern periodic law. Okay, and the section third, we can go for section third, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. This is very important. And you want to download this question paper and answer key, just search arfindia.com pre-final ps1 question paper and answer key. Okay, where you find all the, and first the link is open, then you also click the link, then you can get direct PDF link, and check the description box where also PDF link available. And 21 question is, what role does specific heat play in keeping a watermelon cool for a long time after removing from a fridge on a hot day? Why does not distilled water conduct electricity? Frame any two questions to understand difference between convex lens and concave lens. Give two examples of each two ionic and covalent compounds. Define power of lens and write their unit. Write the 4 quantum numbers for 1s1 electron. When we sit at campfire, objects beyond the fire are seen, saying give reason for it. And the last is section 4. So here 4 sections are available. There is a 20 marks questions. Each question has internal choice. Okay, and each question carries 4 marks. So first is, how do you correct the eye defeat myopia? And the optional choice is, internal choice question is, define the following terms: electric current and resistance. Okay, and the next question is 13th, discuss the construction of the long form of the periodic table. Explain the formation of a BeCl2 molecule using hybridization. And the 31 is, explain the procedure of finding specific heat of solids experimentally. How do you verify experimentally that sin I is upon sin R is a constant? Okay, and the next is, complete the following table. Here is a following table: sample solution, red litmus paper, blue litmus paper, and phenolphthalein solution, and methyl orange solution. Okay, here product are HCl, hydrochloric acid, NaOH, sodium hydroxide, tomato juice, and soap water. Okay, And the next is optionally answer also available. Here is a table of for metal ABCD are in turn added to the following solutions one by one. The observation made are tabulated below. Iron sulfate, copper sulfate, zinc sulfate and silver nitrate. Okay, here is ABCD, and there is a metal, known metal as, and no reaction its displacement, and this B is displacement, and zinc sulfate is no reaction on C metal. Okay, so it's a metal reaction. So here questions is which is the most reactive metal and why? What would be observed if B is added to a solution of copper second sulfate and why? And the third and fourth also question is there. And there is a last question. Draw any diagrams for the following positions of convex lens. Object is placed at F2. Object is placed at 2F2. Draw the shape of S and P orbitals. So this is your whole question paper of class class 10th pre-final English pre-final PS Physical Science PS1 question paper. So like our video, share with all your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, and you want to download this answer key question paper also, you can search airapindia.com where our PDF are available. So don't forget to download the PDF. So we will meet in next video. Thanks for watching.